In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily add QR codes to your spreadsheet. So let's get started. To add our QR code, we are going to use a public API from quickchart.io. To read more about this API, you can go to the documentation and then scroll down to see the parameters. For this demo, we'll only need the text parameter. In our spreadsheet, cell A2 contains the string that we want to encode in the QR code. And in cell A5, we will build our formula that pulls the QR image. Start with the image function since the API returns raw image data. Inside the parentheses, type the quickchart URL. Close the quotes, add an ampersand to concatenate, and then the cell that contains our text, which is cell A2. When you press enter, a small QR code appears in cell A5. Drag the row height to adjust the QR size. To convert to a picture, right-click the QR, choose Picture in Cell, and place over cells. The QR now behaves like any other image. You can move, resize, or copy it to other apps such as PowerPoint or Word. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. If you'd like to support the channel, consider becoming a member. Just click the membership link in the description below. Thanks for watching.